Step 1. Prepare the turkey roll-ups.
Lay out a tortilla, spread a thin layer of cream cheese or hummus, and add sliced turkey and lettuce.
Step 2. Roll and slice.
Roll the tortilla tightly and slice into bite-sized pinwheels.
Step 3. Add fruit.
Fill another section of the lunchbox with grapes, apple slices, or berries.
Step 4. Add a crunchy snack.
Include carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or whole grain crackers.
Step 5. Pack and chill.
Close the lid tightly and keep the lunchbox chilled until serving.
Ingredients: turkey roll-up bento.
You'll need 1 medium tortilla, whole wheat or regular, 2-3 slices deli turkey, 1-2 tablespoons cream cheese or hummus, a few lettuce leaves, 1/2 cup grapes or mixed fruit, 1/4, 1/2 cup carrot sticks or cucumber slices, a small handful of whole grain crackers.
Step 1. Spread the base.
Spread hummus or cream cheese over a tortilla or flatbread.
Step 2. Add veggies.
Layer shredded carrot, sliced cucumber, bell peppers, and spinach.
Step 3. Roll tightly.
Roll the tortilla tightly to hold all the veggies inside.
Step 4. Slice into pinwheels.
Cut into bite-sized rounds and place in the lunchbox.
Step 5. Add sides.
Add a side of fruit and a small treat like a few pretzels or crackers.
Ingredients: veggie pinwheels.
You'll need 1 medium tortilla or flatbread, 2-3 tablespoons hummus or cream cheese, 1/4 cup shredded carrot, 1/4 cup thinly sliced cucumber, 1/4 cup thinly sliced bell peppers, a handful of fresh spinach or lettuce. Optional, pinch of salt and pepper.
Step 1. Prep the base.
Pack mini pitas, mini flatbreads, or small non-rounds as the pizza base.
Step 2. Add sauce.
Fill a small container with pizza sauce or marinara.
Step 3. Add cheese.
Pack shredded mozzarella or a cheese blend in another small container.
Step 4. Add toppings.
Include small containers of toppings like pepperoni slices, olives, or chopped veggies.
Step 5. Add a side.
Add a side of fruit or veggies to round out the meal.
Ingredients: DIY pizza lunch kit.
You'll need 2-3 mini pitas, flatbreads, or non-rounds, 1/4, 1/3 cup pizza sauce or marinara, 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup mini pepperoni or sliced pepperoni, optional, 1/4 cup chopped veggies, bell peppers, olives, mushrooms, etc. A small side of fruit or veggies for the lunchbox.
Step 1. Season the chickpeas.
Toss canned, drained chickpeas with olive oil, salt, paprika, and garlic powder.
Step 2. Roast or air fry.
Bake or air fry the chickpeas until crispy.
Step 3. Add spread to the wrap.
Spread hummus or yogurt sauce on a tortilla or wrap.
Step 4. Add fillings.
Add crispy chickpeas, lettuce, cucumber, and shredded carrots.
Step 5. Roll and pack.
Roll the wrap tightly, slice if desired, and pack in the lunchbox.
Ingredients: crispy chickpea wrap.
You'll need 1 can, 15 ounces chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1-2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, pinch of salt and pepper, 1 medium tortilla or wrap, 2-3 tablespoons hummus or yogurt sauce, lettuce leaves, cucumber slices, and shredded carrot for filling.
Step 1. Cook the pasta.
Boil small pasta shapes like rotini or bow ties until al dente, then drain and cool.
Step 2. Add veggies.
Mix in chopped cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and bell peppers.
Step 3. Add protein.
Stir in cheese cubes, beans, or diced ham if you like.
Step 4. Dress the salad.
Toss with Italian dressing or olive oil and lemon juice.
Step 5. Pack and chill.
Pack the pasta salad in a container and chill until lunchtime.
Ingredients: pasta salad lunch.
You'll need 2 cups cooked small pasta, rotini, bow ties, etc., 1/2 cup chopped cucumber, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers, 1/4, 1/2 cup cheese cubes or beans, 1/4, 1/3 cup Italian dressing or olive oil plus lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste.
Step 1. Combine dry ingredients.
Mix oats, seeds, and dried fruit in a bowl.
Step 2. Add wet ingredients.
Stir in honey or maple syrup and a little melted butter or oil.
Step 3. Press into a pan.
Press the mixture firmly into a lined baking dish.
Step 4. Bake or chill.
Bake briefly to set or chill in the fridge until firm.
Step 5. Slice and pack.
Slice into bars and pack 1 or 2 in the lunchbox.
Ingredients: nut-free granola bars.
You'll need 2 cups rolled oats, 1/2 cup mixed seeds, sunflower, pumpkin, etc., 1/2 cup dried fruit, raisins, cranberries, or chopped apricots, 1/3, 1/2 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup melted butter or oil, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, pinch of salt.
Step 1. Add yogurt.
Fill a small compartment or container with plain or flavored yogurt.
Step 2. Add fruit.
Add berries, sliced grapes, kiwi, or apple slices in another section.
Step 3. Add crunch.
Include granola or crushed cereal in a separate dry section so it stays crunchy.
Step 4. Add a protein snack.
Add cheese cubes, a hard-boiled egg, or a few slices of deli meat.
Step 5. Pack and chill.
Close the bento box and keep refrigerated until it's time to eat.
Ingredients of fruit and yogurt, bento.
You'll need 1/2 dahlia 3/4 cup yogurt, plain or flavored, 1/2 cup fresh fruit, berries, sliced grapes, kiwi, or apple slices, 1/4 cup granola or crushed cereal, 1/4, 1/3 cup cheese cubes, or a small protein, optional, extra fruit, or a small treat for another section of the box.
Step 1. Fill the tortillas.
Place shredded cheese and optional beans or chicken on half of a small tortilla.
Step 2. Fold and cook.
Fold the tortilla in half and cook in a dry pan until the cheese melts and the tortilla is lightly browned.
Step 3. Slice.
Let cool slightly, then slice into wedges.
Step 4. Add dips.
Pack small containers of salsa, guacamole, or sour cream if allowed.
Step 5. Add sides.
Add a handful of cherry tomatoes and some fruit to complete the lunch.
Ingredients: mini quesadillas.
You'll need 2 small tortillas, 1/2 3/4 cup shredded cheese, 1/4 cup cooked beans or shredded chicken, optional, 2 tablespoons salsa or guacamole for dipping, optional, a handful of cherry tomatoes or sliced veggies, a small portion of fruit for the lunchbox.
Step 1. Add protein.
Fill one section of the box with cheese cubes, hard-boiled egg slices, or turkey slices.
Step 2. Add crackers or bread.
Include whole grain crackers, mini pitas, or breadsticks.
Step 3. Add veggies.
Add carrot sticks, cucumber rounds, or snap peas.
Step 4. Add a dip.
Include a small container of hummus, ranch, or yogurt-based dip.
Step 5. Add fruit.
Finish with a section of fresh fruit like apple slices or berries.
Ingredients: protein snack box.
You'll need 1/4, 1/2 cup cheese cubes or sliced deli meat, 1 hard-boiled egg, sliced optional, 1/2 cup whole grain crackers or breadsticks, 1/2 cup raw veggies, carrot sticks, cucumber, snap peas, etc., 2 tablespoons hummus, ranch, or yogurt dip, 1/2 cup fresh fruit, apple slices, berries, or grapes.
Step 1. Add hummus.
Spoon hummus into a small container or a section of the lunchbox.
Step 2. Add dippable veggies.
Add carrot sticks, cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, or cherry tomatoes.
Step 3. Add bread or crackers.
Include pita bread triangles, crackers, or flatbread pieces.
Step 4. Add a small protein.
Add cheese cubes, falafel bites, or a boiled egg if you like.
Step 5. Add fruit or a small treat.
Finish the box with a portion of fruit or a small sweet snack.
Ingredients: hummus lunch plate.
You'll need 1/4, 1/3 cup hummus, 1/2 cup sliced veggies, carrot sticks, cucumber, bell pepper strips, cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup pita bread triangles, crackers, or flatbread pieces, a small protein like cheese cubes, falafel bites, or a boiled egg, optional, 1/2 cup fresh fruit or a small sweet snack.